Hey guys, Infernal Man here. I'm just gonna do some more burps because my last video left me feeling a bit, like a bit guilty. You know, it was pretty short and the burps weren't that good, and my sound quality was pretty bad since I was on my bad camera. I got my good one now. The sound should be better. The quality's actually okay too, since I'm outside and the lighting helps. It helps a bit if I do this. But yeah, I'll do some epic burps. Just so you guys know, I'm gonna use drinks maybe right now to burp, but I don't usually. Like, I never really do. So first one to message me with how I do it, like the process, what I have to do to get the burps to come. I'll do a custom video for them. Nothing like stupid, you know, like Jesus, you know the border of what's going on, okay? So. Here we go. One sec. I just wanna. Oh, it tickled my throat. I think a mix will be better. Holy shit, I didn't even mean for that to come out. That was freaking insane. Oh, my dog's taking a poop. Nasty. Where'd you go? Ah, sick. Ah, tickly. See, that's better than last time. I'm actually getting better at long. I think my burps are longer if I have this as well, because I can get more gas inside. After I've went to the bathroom, like both ways, you know what I mean? I can really burp. Also, if anyone wants to Skype me, like, don't know. If you're a pervert, then F off, because I'm gonna, like, block you right away if I find out. And don't Skype me if you have a mic and just be like, oh, I don't have a microphone. Herp, derp. Okay, so my original YouTube channel is Few Marshall 2, so you guys can see some of those. It has a tutorial for burping and farting. I took all my videos off of that for stupid reasons. Don't even ask. Oh, shit. But, yeah. So my Skype is Few Marshall. If you guys want to go on that, you know, just send me a contact request. Tell me who you are. And, yeah, just make sure you're not some pervert or I will freaking kill you. Nah, joking. Yeah. Just trying to get some stuff in while I make the video. Instead of two separate videos. Yeah. My cat had 3 kittens and one's over there, and I'm not even gonna point the camera because it's just so tiny. I thought my dog took a giant black poop in the grass. You're eventually gonna get linked to this Jay, so hi! Last burp. I'll say goodbye as I burp.
Goodbye.